Hi, it's Vias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So let's see and let's check your person's current emotion. Okay, this week pagdating sa'yo. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items, okay? So, excuse me. Oo. So, yeah, meron tayong mga protection from evil eye. We do have ring. Yung ring natin po is adjustable. Okay, meron din tayong bracelets. Isang adjustable, isang garterized po. Okay, so yung garterized, ganito yung kanyang evil eye pendant. Okay, so ito naman is ganyan. So meron siyang mga 5 colors, okay, ng evil eye protection. May kanya-kanyang role yan. And syempre, meron itong initial. Okay, initial po na magmamayari. So, kung ito yung inyo ipapurchase, kailangan namin ng initial. Kung inyong ibibigay, pangre-regalo, kayo na pong bahalang magbigay ng initial. Okay? So, next is yung ating evil eye protection necklace. Ang ganda niyan in person. Oo. So, this is 16 to 18 inches long. Oo. Hanggang kasama na po yung extender po, ha. So, unisex. Yeah, unisex itong ating evil eye protection necklace. So, ganyan yung kanyang pendant. This is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay? So, next yung ating 2-in-1. This is for love and money magnet. Money and love magnet. Itong ating 2-in-1 bracelet. So, meron siyang citrine. Okay, like this. So, citrine is for, sabihin nating, ginagamit siya, no, para makakuha ng madaming sales. So, it's like, well-known, sa tawag ng merchant stone. So yun yun, no? Merchant stone. So ginagamit ng mga business owners, kahit sabihin nating maliliit na business, yes. Yung iba sa kanila tinatago lang nila yon. Okay. Yeah, I don't know bakit. So, well, dito ating ilalathala. O, di ba? Ibubunyag ang sikreto, ng mga successful na business owners, no? So, yes, some of them talagang gumagamit ng mga stones and crystals, no? So, hindi lang for money, for love na rin, okay? So, madaling makuha yung money kung ito yung gagamitin. Okay? When it comes to love, siyempre, mabusisi tayo dyan. No? Oo. So, hindi naman ito ibibigay sa'yo yung gusto mo or hindi naman niya ibibigay sa'yo yung tawag dyan, minimithi mo lamang, no? Ibibigay nito yung talagang para sa'yo. So, kung hindi binibigay yung taong gusto mo, meaning to say, hindi yun yung para sa'yo. Ating tanggapin yun. Okay? Tanggapin natin yun. Kung hindi mo tatanggapin, mahihirapan yung bracelet na ibigay sa'yo yung para sa'yo. Okay? Ganun po talaga. Oo. Kasi kung ating mamaniobrahin yung about love na, para tayong nagloloko na nun. Okay po? Para tayong nagloloko na nun. Yes. So, next. Okay. Nalimutan ko sabihin, samahan nyo po ito ng evil eye protection. Okay? Kasi syempre, yung igagrant nito, okay, yun ang kailangan nyo proteksyonan, yung energy ninyo, no? So, next is yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter is made to order. Okay? So, swerte na lang kung meron akong pinagawa na sobra. O, diba? Anyway, so this is made to order. This is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Siya po yung nagagrant ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay? Madalas about legal, madalas about visa, mga ganun. Okay? So, mabigatan, yung ginagrant ni granter. Okay po? Yung hindi magagrant, yung hindi under ng love and money. Okay? Yun po ang ginagrant ni granter. So, aside sa mga minamanifest ninyo, aside doon, meron siyang weekly surprises. Okay? So, maliit man yan, malaki man yan, meron siyang ipoprovide, meron siyang ibibigay sa'yo. Weekly. Sana mapansin nyo yun. Okay? Sana mapansin nyo yung may mga grantor na dyan. Okay? So, next is yung ating cord cut. So, si cord cut naman, siya yung nagtataboy. Okay? Ng MALAS. Magkaiba po sa evil eye, ha? Okay? So, kung sino man yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng MALAS, kaalatan sa buhay mo, yun ang aalisin nito. At sasangga niya yun. Sasanggahin niya yun. Okay? Kung babalik man sa inyo. Okay? So, pwede to sa bahay. Pwede yan sa business. Pwede yan pang sarili. Okay po? So, yun po, ha? And medyo bulky siya. Kung hindi nyo naman gustong isuot, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa white pouch. Okay? So, yung hindi ko pa na-flex is yung aking pang-cleanse, which is yung ating selenite and white sage. Okay? So, for cleansing siya, lifetime use yung selenite. Okay? So, it's like, mag-a-act siya as charger ng inyong mga charms and crystals. Okay? Meron din siyang kakayanan na parang, pagdating sa sakit-sakit sa katawan, parang ihahaplos nyo lang sa katawan nyo, parang ganon. Kasi nag-aalis siya ng negative energy. Okay po? So, hindi siya haka-haka lamang. Okay? May katangian kasi siya, no? So, kung meron pong mga tanong, message lang po. Hindi lang pang sayo na cleanse, kundi sa mga charms mo rin. Kung ano ba ang mga charms mo dyan, no? So, kung meron pang mga tanong, just message me. Pasensya na. I have to tell you, no, kung ano man yung mga kailangan yung malaman dyan para hindi na isa-isa sa message, no? At hindi na rin magtanong sa comment section. Diretso na lang po sa PM kung meron pang ibang katanungan po, ha? So, let's start the reading at, the reading starts at 7:27. Okay, 7:27. So, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay, the person. Let's see. Check natin yung emosyon niya this week for you. Okay. Namahinga ako ng kaunti anong nakaraan. Oo. So, air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Emotion ni person mo this week. So, sino ba to? The Five of Swords. And, could be an air sign like you. The Knight of Wands. So, this person is giving you mixed signals. They're a player. Okay? Yung energy nito is fluctuating. Parang in and out itong person mo. Okay? They're giving you mixed signals in general. So, let's see. Anong situation nyo sa ngayon? Anong sitwasyon nyo sa ngayon? Temperance. Okay. Some of you, you're waiting for them. There's waiting game sa inyo. Seven of Pentacles. Kung kailan totally magiging seryoso, magiging invested sa iyo tong taong to. What is their emotion this week for you? Let's see. What is their emotion? Justice. Why? Why the Justice? The Six of Swords. Oh my gosh. This is one-sided. I'm hearing one-sided here. Four of Cups. Two of Pentacles in reverse. So, this is your energy. The Justice. This is air sign. The Six of Swords in reverse. Okay. I'm hearing na pwedeng itong taong ito is na-spoiled mo. Okay? Na-spoiled mo. Kaya hindi siya masyadong nag-grow. Yeah, they like you. But yes, hindi mo maiali sa taong itong mag-play. Maglaro. Hindi maging seryoso sa connection. Kaya para kang naghahanap sa anak mo. Oo, parang ganyan. Parang kang naghahanap sa anak mong kindergarten, no? Diyan sa playground. Yes, alam niyang magka-connect kayo pero wala yung pakialam kung saan siya pupunta. Hindi niyan iisipin, hahanapin mo siya, mga ganun bagay. Okay? Kasi nakasalalay, sabihin natin nakarelay siya sa emosyon mo. Aha, okay. Kung hindi mo tuturuan, hindi to magiging okay. Hindi yan mag-grow. Yeah. Para yan kapag pinagalitan mo, sa umpisa lang siya magiging okay, and then eventually magbabago na ulit. Nakarelay sa'yo yung person mo. Nakadepende sa'yo. Emosyon niya for you, nakadepende sa'yo. Okay? So, there. So, who else for air signs? Who else? Who is this? The person ng mga air signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Let's see. Who is this? The Five of Pentacles. What's with that? Could be an earth sign. The Eight of Swords, Universe. Ito yung taong hinahanapan mo ng clarity kasi umalis siya nang wala man lang pasabi. Yeah, the Tower. I'm hearing separation dito or breakups. Okay? So, siya yung taong hinahanapan mo ng kalinawan, bakit siya umalis, anong dahilan, kung ano man. Okay, so let's see. So, yeah, meron kayong hiwalayan ng taong to sa ngayon. Hindi kayo nag-uusap siguro ngayon. Yes. Hinahanapan mo siya ng clarity. Hinahanapan mo siya ng kasagutan, kalinawan. So, ano emosyon niya ngayon sa'yo? Ayokong tingnan ng sitwasyon sa ngayon. Ang mahalaga, in general is magkahiwalay kayo. Okay? So, ang importanteng malaman is magkahiwalay kayo ngayon. Tingnan natin, anong emosyon niya sa ngayon? Ngayong week for you, air sign. Thinking of you. They are silent. No contacts. This is breakup. Four of Swords. You're thinking of you. Why? The Seven of Swords. Nag-iisip po itong taong to. You're in their head this week. Okay? Nag-iisip tong taong to, papaano siya mag-sneak back. Okay? Pagdating sa'yo, paano siya babalik, paano siya, kung ano man yung mga dapat sabihin, inaaral nitong taong to. Kung paano siya magpapaliwanag, the judgment. Okay, this is having another chance with you. The Chariot Universe. Okay, so, yung energy ng person is hindi pa totally nakakaalis, or hindi pa nakaka-move on, or maybe ikaw, itong hindi pa nakaka-move on, pero this person, wala pang pagbabago kung nakikita sa kanya, if ever. Pero nag-iisip tong taong to, paano siya magsasalita, paano siya magsasabi sa'yo ng mga dapat niyang sabihin. I'm hearing this person is returning. He wants to make a return, pero nasa isip pa lang niya yon. You're in his head or in her head. Okay? So, pasensya na ha. Bakit ganun ako magsalita? Anyway. Yeah. So, yun ang akin nakikita for you. Okay, next is fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see your person's emotion this week. Your person's emotion this week. Fire signs. Who is this person? Okay. Who is this person? Fire signs. Fire signs. Who is this? The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Not a good energy. Wheel of Fortune in reversed. And the Moon. This person gives you a lot of confusion, a lot of delays. Some of you, you're mirroring each other. Some of you, you're in a karmic connection with this person. You're sneaky. You can't trust this person, I guess. Some of you, nagkaroon ng hindi pagkakaintindihan sa sitwasyon. The situation is too silent. Okay. So, this person is too secretive. Masekreto, pwedeng Pisces. We have here Leo. Okay. I'm hearing Leo, Taurus. Yeah. Anyway. So, Cancer. Yan. Let's see. Anong sitwasyon nyo sa ngayon? Fire signs. Okay, the Magician in reverse. So, this is control. Manipulations. Sa situation. Yeah, the Fool. So, nagsisilbing hadlang itong taong to sa'yo in general. Nagsisilbing hadlang. Okay, nagbibigay ng takot. Mga ganyang bagay. So, anong emosyon nito for you? Some of you, you're in a connection pa rin hanggang ngayon. Pwedeng ka-connect mo to hanggang ngayon. So, anong emosyon niya? Yeah. The King of Wands. Alam nito na siya yung susundin mo. Yeah. Some of you, this is talking about lust. Sex. Okay. What's with this King of Wands? Two of Cups. Knight of Cups. Ten of Cups in reverse. So, nakuha ko dito. Parang gamay na gamay niya yung connection nyo. Okay? We have here the Ten of Cups in reverse. Some of you, hindi ka na masaya sa connection na yan. Yes. Huwag mo nang itanggi. Ba't ako ganun magsalita? Yeah. Yeah. Magkasama kayo, magka-connect kayo. Pero, bakit ganun? Miss Fia, hindi na ako masaya. Hindi na ako naliligayahan dito. Hindi na okay. Pero the sex is good. This is karmic, some of you. This person is controlling you, manipulating you. Nakatalikod siya sa connection nyo kung makikita mo. Nakatalikod siya. So, nangyayari dito, control. Siya ang nakakapag-control dito. Bakit may control? Bakit hindi na masaya? Kasi nga, hindi na nagiging fair yung connection. No balance. Wala nang freedom. Freedom na masasabi dito sa connection na to kasi somebody is too controlling. Yeah. So, yun, nakukuha ko sa kakonect mo. So, who else? Fire signs. Okay. Fire signs. Who else? Bigla ko inantok. Sino nantok dyan? Let's see. Sino itong taong ito? Temperance. Could be a fire sign like you. A Sagittarius. What's with that? Temperance. The Emperor in reverse. Ayaw ng taong itong naghihintay. Yeah, ayaw niya na naghihintay. Madalas magalit to. Okay? Specific yun. Some of you, meron na kayong anak nito. So, anong situation? Page of Cups. Nako. Mahirap magpakumbaba tong taong to. May kailangan to ipag-sorry. Yeah, the Two of Swords in reversed. May kailangan ipag-sorry pero hindi niya ginagawa. So, tingnan natin. So, pwedeng nakaaway mo to. Meron kayong arguments ng taong to sa ngayon. May chance na naghihintay ka ng sorry niya. 'Di ba? Gagawin lang nating simple yung energy. Pero makaka-connect ka naman, okay? Kahit deeper, kahit deep pa yung iyo. Let's see. What is their emotion this week for you, fire signs? Okay. The Ace of Wands in reverse. This is false start, I think. A false start. What's with that Ace of Wands in reverse? The Eight of Pentacles, yeah. Hindi, yeah, parang hard to budge. Itong taong to. Mahirap pakiusapan to. Ego, ma-pride. Hindi yan basta-basta magbababa ng pride niya. Magpapakumbaba. No. Okay. Yeah, Judgment in reversed. So, some of you, ano emotion ito for you. Some of them, hindi imposible na kumonek sa'yo, pero this is like sex lang. Okay? Some of them, they're thinking of you sexually. Yeah. Thinking of you sexually. They want to be with you like physically. Pero emotionally, kung ano man ang mga kailangan itong i-fix, hindi niya i-fix. Medyo nakaka-adwa, no? Yung energy. Oops! Oh my gosh. Two of Pentacles in reversed. So, they're dropping you. Because of their, ego and pride. Okay? So, yun lang. Wala akong masyadong nakikitang emosyon dito. Puro lust. Okay? Wala akong makitang action coming from your person. I'm hearing sabihin natin, a makeup sex. Parang ganun, makeup sex. Wala akong nakikitang pagsosorry dito. Maghihingi ng sorry sa'yo. Kakausapin ka like heart to heart. No. This is physical. Okay? So, yun ang nakuha ko. So, next. Okay, water signs. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, yan. Okay. So, your person's emotion this coming week. Yeah, this week. I'm sorry, medyo late. Oo. Nagpahinga lamang ako ng kauntian. So, water signs. Your person's emotion ngayong week. Siyempre, pagdating sa'yo. So, sino ba to? Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, who is this person? Who is this? Four of Wands. They're stable. They are stable. Stable job, may stable job siya. Sana hindi ito energy ng marriage, or I don't know if your person is already married. Let's see. Four of Wands, Queen of Cups. This person is so kind. They are kind. Some of you lang naman, this person is open in sex. In same sex. Okay? I don't know. Hindi yun para sa lahat, ha? Okay, so let's see. Anong situation nyo sa ngayon? So, this person is, sabihin natin, napaka-open. Napaka-genuine. They're kind. So, kung hindi ganun yung person mo ngayon pa lang, dito pa lang, so maybe this is not your person. Let's see. Situation. The Ace of Swords in reversed. Why? So, there's this secrets. Hidden. Anong meron? Yeah. The Eight of Swords. Okay. The Moon. The Knight of Swords. May tendency itong taong to is hindi minsan open sa mga, or sabihin nating this is deep. Okay, hindi mo alam, okay, na may ganito pala yung person or merong ganito sa sitwasyon. Ang nakuha ko sa kanya is some of them, they're an overthinker. May chance na hindi siya nagiging open sa kung ano man ang mga iniisip. So, hindi ko nakikitaan na pareho kayong nagkakaroon ng transparency sa isa't isa. Okay? I'm hearing that this person is, sabihin nating, ginagawa lang niya yung mga, sabihin nating, alam niyang sa ikabubuti. Okay? Itong taong to, deep down, may takot mawalan. Okay? May takot siyang mawalan. May takot siyang maiwan. So, ang nangyayari, kaya siya parang, nakikita mong parang giver. Because, they're afraid na baka mamaya, hindi niya rin makuha yung gusto niya. They're giving you this, okay, parang ganyan, because they're expecting something na pwedeng ganun din ang gagawin mo sa kanya. This is too specific. Okay, so let's see. Anong emosyon ito for you? So, hindi siya nagiging clear sa'yo or nagiging transparent. They have issue. Yeah, I think. So, ano bang meron? Emosyon ng taong to ngayong week for you. The Knight of Swords in reversed. Mapapansin mo itong taong to, napaka-moody. Moody! Sumigaw. Why the Knight of Swords in reversed? The Hierophant. Because this person is totally invested here. They're taking risk. It's like, parang may pinanggalingan itong taong to na napaka-traumatic, no, sa past niya. Okay? So, may chance na pwedeng magkaroon ng epekto sa kanya, sa mood niya, pagdating sa'yo. Pwedeng magiging controlling, pwedeng magiging, super duper lovey-dovey, mga ganyang bagay, clingy, mga ganyan. Andyan rin yung magkakaroon ng parang pag-overthink, pagseselos, mga ganyan. Sobrang mix. Okay? Ang dami kong energy na nakukuha from this person because yes, this person is taking risk pagdating sa connection na to. Yeah. Yeah, the Ten of Cups universe. This is trauma. This is being unhappy. So, may pinanguhugutan. So, sana maunawaan mo rin tong taong to. Oo. Sana maunawaan mo tong taong to kung makikita mo at parang mapapansin mong napaka-moody niya. Yes. Andun lang sabihin nating na-trauma itong taong to. May takot siya. So, yes, this person is hindi healed. So, kailangan niya mag-heal. Tulungan yung sarili niya mag-heal. Tulungan mo rin. Okay? Nasa connection kayo ngayon, sa tingin ko. Pero marami pa rin hindi na ipapakita. Okay? I don't know. Some of you, bagong connection lang to because of the Ace of Swords. Okay, so next. Who else for you, water signs? Who else? The person. Okay. Check natin yung emotion niya this week for you, water signs. So, who is this? Who is this? Oops. May nagpakitang Wheel of Fortune. Who is this? The Three of Pentacles. Could be kasama mo sa work. Nakasama mo sa work. Nakasama mo sa isang place, I think. Sana hindi to third party connection. The Six of Wands in reverse. This person may chance na mapalautos. Okay? Palautos siya. That's so specific. Okay? Lagi lang itong nakaupo, ganyan. Tapos mag-uutos sa'yo. Mga ganong bagay. Okay? Siya yung palaging nagsasabi ko anong dapat gawin, ganyan. Some of them, they're jealous person. May nakuha akong energy na parang nangungontrol din siya. Ganito gawin mo. Mga ganong bagay. Pero, yeah. Ano bang sitwasyon nyo? Water signs. Ano ang inyong sitwasyon ng taong to? Bakit ganyan? Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Why? The Knight of Swords in reverse. The Lovers. Somebody is afraid na merong mag-cheat. Okay? Water signs. I'm hearing that this person, sabihin nating hindi pa rin totally invested dito sa connection, or maybe the situation ninyo is hindi pa totally masasabing concrete, like solid, parang ganyan, no? Andyan yung energy ng in and out, inconsistency is present. Okay, so but yeah, we have here the Lovers, we have here the Five of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody is afraid na parang may maiiwan, may mawawalan. Meron din dito nag-cheat. I'm hearing a lot of energy here. Somebody is afraid na lokohin. Sino bang hindi, no? Okay? Meron ditong ito water signs. This is not for all. Pero I'm feeling that somebody has two people. Has two persons. Dealing with two person or more. Yeah. Sino dito yon? Dealing with two persons. So, anong emosyon? Anong emosyon ito for you? Water signs. The Seven of Wands. The Two of Swords. This is blockage. This is avoiding. Ano ina-avoid niya? Hindi totally open itong person mo. Days of Pentacles. I think this person, sabihin natin kailangan gumawa ng pagdedesisyon. Pero they are not doing it. They are not doing it. Siguro itong person mo may chance na meron silang iba. I don't know if you know it. Okay? Pero, yeah, this person kailangan yung gumawa ng decision. The situation is in their head. Pero they're not doing it. They're not making pili-pili, no? They're not, I don't know why. Yeah. Meron siyang kailangan gawin, pero hindi niya ginagawa. I think this is like a third-party connection, water signs. Queen of Cups. So, siguro, may chance na kaya hindi siya gumagawa ng pagdedesisyon or pagpili. It's just because unti-unting na-fall na rin sa'yo tong taong to. And I think may chance na kaya hindi ka rin totally nilalayuan kasi na-fall na unti-unti. Again, the Wheel of Fortune and the Three of Cups. This is third party. Kailangan mamili nitong taong to. Unti-unti na lang talaga na na-fall sa'yo to. Okay? Yeah. Well, hindi na natin gawain or din natin para sabihan itong taong to, pumili ka na. Okay, alam naman nila yung sitwasyon, pero I don't know. Some of them, hirap lang sila talagang pumili sa ngayon. Unti-unting na-fall sa'yo to, water sign. So, next. Earth signs. Okay. Pagod na ang aking card, diba? So, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, the person's emotion this week for you, Earth signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Napakapangit ng panahon ngayon, no? Ulan ng ulan. Kamusta ba kayo? So, Earth sign. So, is this person? And yeah, let's check their emotions this week. The Chariot in reverse could be a Cancerian. Okay. The Chariot in reverse. The Knight of Cups could be a water sign. Ace of Cups in reverse. Earth signs. Nakakuha ko dito ng energy na galing sa past. I think they share X. Okay. And now, hindi pa rin sila totally nakakalayo or nakaka-move on. Pero they're like dealing with new person. They're dealing with a new person ngayon. Okay, that's specific. So, kung alam mo na yung ex mo is merong bago, pwedeng siya to. Okay, let's see. What's the situation? What's the situation? The Knight of Wands. Somebody is playing the field right now. Okay, open. Pagdating sa mga new connections, I think. The Knight of Wands. The Four of Pentacles. Why? The Five of Swords. The Three of Swords. Okay, your person, Earth sign is rumi-rebound. Okay, ano po yun? Pwedeng gumagamit ng ibang tao or ibang connection para lang maging okay. Parang ganon. Para maging okay siya. Or sabihin natin gumagawa ng ganitong sitwasyon, gumagawa ng isang connection, nakikipag-connect para lang masabing nalimutan ka na. Okay? So, parang nagagamit dito yung person na iba. Yeah. I don't know, masama ba yun? Comment down below. Kung intention is maka-move on, oo, comment down below. Kanya-kanya yan. So, open naman ang ating comment section for that. Okay, let's see. What is their emotion for you right now? I think tong taong to hindi pa nakaka-move on from you. Hindi ka pa nila nalilet go. Yes. What is their emotion this week for you, Earth signs? The Eight of Pentacles. And they're keeping themselves busy para hindi ka maisip ng maisip ng maisip ng maisip. Yeah, the Tower moment still hitting them. The Tower moment is still hitting them. Kahit ito po ay may kakonect, kahit ito ay nakikipagharutan kung kanino man, ikaw at ikaw pa rin nasa utak nito, Earth sign. Sobrang gulo ng utak nito. Ikaw at ikaw pa rin. Kada umaga, hindi ka pwedeng hindi maiisip. Ini-stock ka nito. May chance ini-stock ka nito. Hindi nila matulungan yung sarili nila na maging okay. Kinakailangan pa nila ng iba para makaramdam na okay sila. So, this is so hard. See, the Empress, they can find somebody na pwedeng may tuturing na parang ikaw. They're always, naghahambing. Okay, they're trying to compare you to other people, pero hindi nila makita yung ikaw. They're still unhappy. They're unhappy without you. Aww. They're sad. Anyway, di ba? So, next. Who else? Earth signs. Earth signs. Who else? Para malaman natin yung emotion for you. Sino tong taong to? Who are they? Who are they? The Five of Pentacles in reversed. This person, lagi mo yan makikita. Like, laging malapit sa'yo. May pagka-clingy, actually. Okay. What's with that 5 of Pentacles in reverse? The 8 of Cups. Yeah, the Sun. So, parang namamagnet. Okay, namamagnet. Feeling drawn itong person na to sa'yo. Palagi mo siyang napapansin, na nakatingin sa'yo, nafo-fall sa'yo tong taong to. Okay? I think na pwedeng iba sa kanila is a businessman or a businesswoman, somebody na pwedeng sabihin nating busy. Okay? They will try to tell jokes sa'yo. Parang ganon. Jokes. The Fool. Kung makikita niyo, parang Joker. Diba? Para siyang Joker. Anyway, I think some of them, earth signs, pwedeng itong taong to na iniisip mo is alam mong may kakonek. Opo. No, some of you, alam nyong may kakonek to. This is too risky. Oo, ito yung masasabi natin na ay risky. Pwedeng nga nakakasama mo sa opisina, sa business. Okay? This person always tries to find reason para lang makasama ka, makausap ka. Okay? Yes. Anong sitwasyon ang kailangan nating malaman? Temperance. Could be a Sagittarius. The 4 of Swords in the reversed. The World. Some of you, may chance na kayo ay malayo sa isa't isa. No? Oo. Pwedeng gumagawa lang talaga lagi ng way itong taong to connect with you. May ganyan. Okay? Kung alam nyong malayo kayo sa isa't isa. Or pwedeng sabihin natin in general, there's this gap or distance pagdating sa energy nyo. Could be physical, emotional, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, the 4 of Swords, open line of communication. Some of you, you're waiting for each other na magkausap. Mga ganong bagay. Parang hindi na kumpleto yung araw na hindi mo nakakausap. Same lang din sa kanya. Or hindi kumpleto ang araw kapag hindi kanya nabibiro. Mga ganong bagay. Let's see. What is their emotion for you? Masyadong risky itong connection. I'm hearing this person is already in a connection or committed na already. So let's see. Emotion. Chariot. And Page of Pentacles. Abay, gagawa ng hakbang itong taong to sa iyo. Oo, 10 of Wands. The Ace of Cups. Pero they can't offer this. The emotion, no, they can't. Communication, yeah, pwede. Flirt, yes, pwede. But the emotion, they can't. Some of you, talagang gusto ko ng taong to, Earth sign. Yun nga lang, hindi pwede. Okay? Pero, hindi rin niya kayang itago na lang ng itago, no? Na gusto ka niya. So, gagawa siya ng way para makakonect ka. I don't know kung anong connection, romantic ba yan, platonic, kung ano ban. Okay? So, yun ang nakukuha ko sa taong to. Hindi malabong hindi gagawa ng hakbang to eh. Ngayong week for you. Okay, may magsisimula. Nakaw. Be careful. Tawan-tawa. See, diba? Ibinato ang Five of Swords. Be careful. Alam mo na yan. Yeah, masyado talagang sabihin nating drawn talaga itong ating connection na ito na nakikita dito eh. Like, ang hirap hindian. Diba? Mga ganong bagay. Anyway, so, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Goodbye.